Alright, what is going on everyone? Hope you're all doing well. So it's currently 7:20 AM. I was meant to get up at 6 o'clock, but that clearly never happened. I'm going to be transparent. I'm not going to be that guy that wakes up at 5 AM. Oh, good morning, now I woke up at 5 AM. So I'm going to quickly pack my bags and then I'll start my day from there. Alright, now I currently made it to the swimming pool. Before I start swimming, I'm going to go for a little jog on the treadmill and then a little cycle on the bikes, and then after that I'll get started with my swimming session. I usually take up about, all in all, 45 to an hour, and then that's pretty much it. I just finished my swimming session. Now I'm heading back to the car. Still have about an hour and a half till my school starts. Currently, wait 1 second. It's currently 9:05. So we still got plenty. Oh, I left my iPad. So we still got plenty of time till my school session. Now I'm just gonna quickly go through a couple of trades. See what GJ's saying. I'm pretty sure it has dropped a bit because London usually seeks out the Asian lows or highs, and I'm pretty sure it already manipulated the highs and now it's coming down to manipulate the Asian lows. But I'm gonna go check that out now and show you guys. And currently taking a look at GJ, exactly as I said, these are the Asian highs. Price manipulated the Asian highs as when London opened, and then it came for the Asian lows, manipulated the Asian lows. As you can see, after it manipulated the Asian lows, it tapped into this very nice 30-minute level of demand that I just managed to get in again. So now I'm currently three long positions open on GJ, and let's see how it treats us. So this re-entry right here is a potential 1 to 7, but let's see how it goes. But yeah, exactly like I said, London manipulated the highs and then it manipulated the lows, re-entered at this 30-minute level of demand, and let's see if we can continue the wave over to the upside and hopefully take profit at this level of supply here on the 4 hour. I'm gonna get myself some egg McMuffins. Hello? Hi, can I get 2 egg McMuffins and 1 bottle of water, please?
2 egg muffin has a meal on its own?
No, on its own. Just collected my meal, and if we already take a look at GJ, as you can see, third entry, look at the precision on this one. Yeah, Asian lows were manipulated, price tapped into this 30-minute level of demand, and look at that beautiful rejection. It's already starting to move over to the upside. It's currently up 1 hour, so let's see how it carries on till the rest of the day. But yeah, I'm gonna finish my meal, and it's almost 10 o'clock now. So I'm going to finish my meal, make my way to school. And now I'm currently at school. But eventually it is 10 o'clock, but like I said, I start school at 10:30. So instead of wasting time, well, you lot need to check this guy out if you're from the UK. His YouTube channel's Hamza Unfiltered, bro. This guy just is very unfiltered, yeah. He gives it to you how it is, bro. Like, he doesn't lotion it, nothing. He gives it to you how it is. Very intellectual individual. Talks a lot about self-discipline, self-love, how to be routined, and how routine actually benefits you throughout your day, how it benefits your emotions and everything. He talks a lot of facts, you know what I'm saying, so definitely go check him out. So yeah, I'm quickly watching one of his videos. Once it's done, it will be around 10:20, and then I will make my way into school. It's exactly 12 o'clock right now. I got a free period. My last lesson starts at 12:20, and then I'll finish at 1:20 and I'm done. But so I quickly came in my car. I thought I'd do a quick update on my current position again. Look at that. clean initial entry, clean re-entry on the lower time frame, and clean re-entry after I finished my swim session. As you can see, if I go over it one more time, Asian highs were taken out during London Open, and then the lows were taken out. Price mitigated this very nice area on the 30-minute, and as you can see, price very nicely rejected and is starting to make its way over to the upside. But yeah, so that's my current update on GJ, and now I'm gonna start making my way back into school, finish off my last lesson, and then we'll be going to the gym. Quickly went home, got myself packed up for gym, got myself a banana and this guy a banana.
Cheers.
Chat to them.
What you man telling me? So obviously we're here with the one and only.
What are you working on today?
ZM back and biceps style.
No, I'm doing chest.
Well, I'm doing back and biceps.
Oi.
Yeah, so today is a back and a bicep thing. You get me? This thing's gonna be big as this guy's head, you know what I mean?
So yeah, we're gonna head to the gym. Of course, apparently he's not working out with me, so he'll be doing back and bicep. I'll be here in chest and tricep session. Anyways, guys, I'll meet you lot there. Let's meet at the gym now. Alright, now it's time to get a session in, yeah.
Cold. Strong man.
Chat to them.
So obviously, just finished the 2-hour gym session.
Well, it wasn't even an hour. Just got done with gym. Just got into the car now, and you know where we're heading. We're going straight to the office. Well, GJ's been playing too much. I pulled out on my re-entry, closed at like 2 hours. Can't lie, but yeah, it's been consolidating all day. We had some nice impulsive moves to the upside. It took out the high, but then it pulled back quite a lot, can't lie. But anyway, stops are moved into profit, but we're gonna go to the office right now and evaluate what's going on. So see you guys then. Finally, we are back at the office. Now, just quickly showing you guys what I was talking about. As you can see, GJ almost took out that high, left out some liquidity here, and started to impulse over to the downside. However, in my opinion, I feel like it's only pulling back to fill in this imbalance that it has left behind and mitigate this area right here to then continue over and take out that liquidity that it has left behind. However, I did pull out of this position at 2 hours, secured my profit, didn't like the impulsive move down, but I'm still holding these two. Okay, so we'll see how that goes, and I'm also going to do a quick breakdown right now. So if I quickly turn off the camera and start recording from my laptop, so I can explain to you guys to why I went long on GJ in the first place. Now let's head over to the 4 hour, and let me show you guys the 4 areas of demand that I was keeping an eye out for and waiting for a confirmation entry at these points. Now, as you know, price melted off of this level of supply and completely sold off. This is where we actually did get in an entry and we took profit at around this point or that point. Previously, if you check out my Instagram, you can see that trade. And as you can see, GJ just continued to plummet over to the downside. And then I was keeping an eye out for these three, I'm pretty sure there's a third, yeah, these 3 areas of demand, and I was waiting for a confirmation entry at these points. And as you can see, this demand did not hold. However, it started to move over to the upside after it liquidated some of the buyers that already got in early from this point. So after these buyers that did get in at this demand aggressively got liquidated, price eventually started to pull back off of this zone. When I started to realize that pullback, I broke down to the 1 hour. And let me show you guys what I was seeing. Now, once this once the buyers that got in aggressively got liquidated, price impulsed over to the outside. That was our first change of character. Once we had that first change of character, price printed a higher low. It failed to break below this low. And then after it printed that higher low, it then printed an even higher high. That's when I started to realize that price is now moving over to the upside. And as you can see, price pulled back and continued to pulse over, creating a higher high. And then it impulse breaking that high and leaving behind that level of liquidity. And as you can see right now, price pulled back into this previous level of demand. Okay. Now, as you can see right here, I marked out this level of liquidity. That was on the 15. We had somewhat of some equal lows right here. Once that equal lows got liquidated, price left behind that very nice level of demand right here. So price liquidated these equal lows, as you can see, got wicked up, and then impulsed over, breaking that high. Okay. Once price broke that high, I marked out the unmitigated level of demand here on the 15-minute. And as you can see, price engineered more liquidity before it pulled back into this region. As you can see, that trend line liquidity right here, we had 3 taps at this point, and price, you telling me, G? Well, you just came now?
No.
I was gonna say your thing was on. Listen, I'm vlogging, I don't think you wanna do anything free. But yeah, as I was saying, price engineered some liquidity right here. As you can see, we had that 3 taps on the trend line, and then price pulled back, taking out that liquidity, mitigating this region right here, and started to move over to the upside. Once I got mitigated at this point, I then started monitoring the lower time frame for any re-entry opportunities, and it was on the 3-minute. Okay, let me actually zoom into that area. Alright, cool. So as you can see, price mitigated us at this point right here, right? But look at this very nice sell to buy candle. That's the area that I was monitoring. So once we got mitigated, I monitored price breaking this 1-minute high, okay? Once we had that change of character on the 1-minute and this very nice level of demand, I straight away took this trade because it's a very, very clean sell to buy candle. No wicks, pure body. So I marked out the open, marked out the close, and I took straight entries of this 3-minute open. And as you can see right now, after price mitigated that 3-minute region, it started to move over to the upside quite a lot. And just pull it back for you guys. Okay, and as you can see, after price mitigated that 3-minute area of demand, it started to move over to the upside, continuing to take out the previous highs. Once this high got taken out, stops got moved to break even. And then today, that's what I was showing you guys after I finished my swimming session, the 30-minute re-entry. Okay, so let me take out the Asian range. As you can see, this was our Asian range. During the London Open, the Asian range got manipulated. After the Asian highs got manipulated, it ended up taking out the Asian lows. As you can see, price pulled back to take out the lows of the Asian range, and it perfectly mitigated this 30-minute level of demand. Once this level of demand got mitigated, we got in for buys, and it started to move over to the upside. However, after price left us this liquidity, it melted quite a lot. That is when I pulled out of this re-entry right here and stayed holding these 2 entries. And as you can see right now, we got these equal highs, and on the 15 we got, well, on the 30-minute, but you can refine it down to this 15-minute, we got that indecision candle right here that could potentially be another re-entry, but I personally wouldn't be entering because I don't like the way that it melted over to the downside. So I'm just going to be holding these 2 positions and hoping that price just pulls back to mitigate this level of demand and continue the wave over to the upside to take out this liquidity that it has created. And that's all there was to this GJ setup. So I hope this was very useful for you guys, and definitely drop any questions you have in the comment section, and I'll try to get back to you guys when I can. Right, and now it's time. And now it's time to wrap up this little video. Hope you guys did enjoy it, and if you guys do want to see them more often, do let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll try to do them, definitely not once a week, but maybe every 2 to 3 weeks if you guys did enjoy them.
Obviously I enjoyed them, you know what I'm saying? Jay, look, bah. Man's gonna get a 1 to RR, you know what I'm saying? My guy, bah.
But yeah, you know what I mean? So if you did enjoy this little day in the life, let me know in the comment section. down below. Let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll try to do them a lot more than usual, because this is my first time doing it, but I'll try to do them a lot more. And yeah, I hope you all did enjoy this little breakdown on GJ, to why I actually entered in some long positions from yesterday. And yeah, I hope you all enjoyed the rest of your day. If you have any questions, also let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll try to get back to you. Take care.
Take care.